I'm the fastest dasher alive, and on this channel we help you maximize using gig apps like DoorDash, Uber Eats, Grubhub, Instacart, and Walmart Spark. And today we got a very important message for the people. It's a Walmart Spark message. We got an exciting incentive here on Walmart Spark. So from November 14th all the way to November 20th, Walmart Spark drivers can enjoy the very special benefit and perk of 11:14 to Sunday 11:20, specifically between the times of 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. So it's basically like a 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. window, but on those particular days. So it's going for almost, what, 5 days? 5 days for a 4-hour window, 2 p.m. to 6 p.m. Now this, I need you to pay very close attention. Now, it's safe for me in my zone, but it might be in your zone for you too. So I need you to pay very close attention. It say, earn an extra $10 per trip completed or returned. Reminder, batch trips count as 1 trip. So when they send you a batch and it got like 5 different trips on there, you're not getting the extra 10 for each trip. You need to keep that in mind. This is for each trip. So they might try to get you right there, but you still may get away with 1-2 trip orders. Maximize, man. They say this incentive is only valid in your current zone. And you do Walmart Spark, I need you to take advantage of this right now, because this is like a $10 peak pay for that window right there. Get in, try to be at the Walmart right before 1:50 so you can see the batches before they come on in and get you a good one. Because if you accept it after 2 p.m., you're gonna get an extra $10 and do that from 2 to 6. You can make some serious bank right there. So that's a nice little incentive. And we just got done with the previous incentive. That was what was the previous one? It went from last weekend, so November 12th to the 14th. It says right here, from Saturday, November 12th to Monday, November 14th, which is today. Complete 15 trips to earn an extra $45 and complete 18 trips for an additional $25. So Spark is the way to go, man. From this new one they got to the one they did last weekend to the one they had last week, which was what was the last week one? It was starting to Spark. That's what it was. And that one was from November 3rd to November 11th. Basically, if you did like 20 trips, you earn like an extra $210. And I already was doing 21 trips in that amount of time anyways. So, you know, DoorDash ain't doing no promotions like this. Go follow the money. Do what works for you. Right now, Walmart Spark is working for me because this is incentive for me to go out and do more orders, get those promotions done. And let's DoorDash. Alrighty, so moving right along, we got that little promotion going on Spark. So as soon as I get me a Spark order, I'm gonna be jamming on that. But in the meantime, I did get this nice little order on DoorDash. I got a Capriati's order. So let's see what we got right here. Looks like it's gonna be $8 for 4.8 miles. But if you take a close look right there, it says 21 items on there. So okay, $8 for 4.6 miles, but look at that, 21 items on a Capriati's order. I wonder how much that is. That's probably about $150 in food, and it's probably gonna require me to take a picture of my catering bag. So we here, and we gonna see. Boom, it does. It says right there. Boom, it says right there, take a photo of your catering bag. So that's exactly what we gonna do. Let's go ahead and get a photo of that. Boop. We got that catering order picked up. Look at that. I'm the fastest dasher alive. You ain't never seen nobody pick up a catering order so fast. Now look how fast I drop it off. Stop playing with me. Yes, sir. I'm the fastest dasher alive. Look at that. 5 minutes I got that catering order dropped off. Let's see how much 150 in Capriati's pays. Look at that. $39.92. Stop playing with me, bro. I'm the fastest dasher alive. That's $36.42 on the tip. Let's go. $59.92. And man, stop playing with me. And I got a Walmart Spark order. Look at this. Boom. Look at that. What that say? You can't see it. I'm gonna hit the screenshot so you can see it. But basically, I got an order right here. It say pick up at, what's pickup time? Pickup time is 2:45, right? So it is currently 2:30. I got 15 minutes to get over to this Walmart. 1951, 7.3 miles. 2 orders. And it's $10 peak on Walmart Spark. Stop playing with me. FDA, I'm the fastest dasher alive. Let's get it done. Alrighty, fam, I just got an offer on Uber Eats. $10 for 3 miles at Panera. I know they're gonna have it ready. I ain't never been to Panera, and unless it's a catering order, they always have it ready. I'm about to get this one done in 10 minutes, right in time before I have to pull up at 2:45 for my Walmart Spark order. So this is how you maximize. Multi-app all the way. I got DoorDash going. I already made 50-something, almost 60 bucks on DoorDash. Got a catering order. Got a $10 peak going on Spark. got a Spark order waiting in the queue, and now I'm on my way to do an Uber while I got a Spark in the queue. This is how you maximize. This is how you multi-app. And another way to maximize is make sure you're using the Solo app. So if you don't know about Solo, Solo is an app that you can use that can help you maximize when you out here using your gig apps. Me personally, I like to use it to track my mileage, and it's not in my market yet, but they got guaranteed earnings in certain markets. So if you download Solo, you may be able to get some guaranteed earnings in your market. It's worth checking out. I like doing this. See, I can sit here and chill and play on YouTube and do some little video editing while I'm waiting on them to bring these orders out, and I can also cherry pick for a nice little DoorDash order that's going in the same direction also. Speaking of DoorDash, this catering bag comes in handy for getting those groceries to the door. So I recommend if you got you some type of big catering bag, you use that when you're doing those grocery drop-offs, because it Yes, sir. Walmart Spark the way to go. Got those 2 Walmart orders dropped off. 19 and some change what we're showing, but we get an extra $10 on each order we do. Let's get it. That's a $29 order right there. So we got our next order, $11 for, what is that? 5.6 miles right here on Uber Eats. Hidden tip indicator. Let's get it. Alrighty, so we are officially 3 hours in on this shift. I got $59.92 on DoorDash and $30.21 on Uber. So we doing good right here. I ain't even checked how much I got on Spark because I only did 1 order. So let's see how much we got on Spark. On Spark, we got I remember that was 19. Oh, and I got $19.51 plus a $10 bonus, so that's $29.51 on Spark. So adding all that up, $120 in the first 3 hours. And actually, it's not even 4:45 yet, so that's $120, and we're not even at the 3 hour mark yet. And I got my next order already, man. So we in really, really, really good shape today. This promo is really helping out today. So what we got, $20.84 for 6.2 miles. 6.1 miles, and it's 2 orders. So this is gonna actually be $30.84 for 2 orders. Not bad. So I don't expect to get any single orders today since they are running that promotion. They're really trying to get those orders pumped out, but I'm cool with it. As long as they got good payouts, miles to money ratio makes sense, I'll do these all day. And we got another hour and a half on this promotion. So I want to get these 2 dropped off quickly and get another one. And then I'm going to really focus on DoorDash. It's going to be 6 o'clock, dinner shift. Give me 2 of them Caterades, 2 catering orders. Let's get it. I'm the fastest dasher alive. Stop playing with me, bro. If you haven't seen my latest video, go ahead and click right here and check that out, because I'm trying to get that video to 2,000 views, and I need y'all help. And don't forget to make sure you like and subscribe too, because you know I need to eat. Stop playing with me. Alrighty, time for an hourly check-in. So the time is now 5:45. I've been out for exactly 4 hours now, and I got $60 on DoorDash, another 60 on Walmart, 40, but I got an extra 20 thanks to those sweet promotions. Then I got another $40 on Uber Eats. So what's that? 60 and 40, that's $160, and that's in 4 hours. That's $40 an hour multi-apping. Promotions and all, that's still $40 an hour multi-apping. And guess what? I got my next 2 orders already. We got a stack on DoorDash, $11.50 for 2 miles, going right up here to the hospital on the other side of the highway. Then I got an Uber Eats order going in the same direction, $15 for 10 miles. I missed the screenshot on that one, but hidden tip indicator is $11, and I don't even like high mileage orders on Uber Eats, but they usually tip pretty dang good. So let's see, do Walmart got anything popping? No. I'm probably gonna have over $200 for this shift, so we're gonna check back at 6:45 and see exactly where we at. But I'm pretty sure it's gonna be over $200 for this shift. This is what you want to do if you want to maximize when you out there. Approaching hour number 6. It is 7:35 right now, so at 7:45 we'll be at hour number 6. We got $51.33 on Uber, $60 from my first dash on DoorDash, a whopping $90 on Walmart Spark. Let's go. They leading the way. And then right now on the dash that I'm currently on, I am sitting at, I can't see it. I think it's $20, but I can't see it. But look, I got this order right here. Bow. Applebee's, 6 items. And if you take a close look at that map, they called me over here. This is a $100 subtotal, man. Look at this, is a catering order. I'm trying to tell y'all, get y'all some catering. If you ain't got the catering, you missing out. So we finna slide up in here. It's gonna be a $20 order. And I got a Walmart Spark sitting in the queue, another 10 bucks. That's gonna make my Walmart Spark total $100. And then with this, I'm pretty sure it's gonna be $20 tip on this. That's gonna make my DoorDash total over 100. This is a $200 shift in less than 6 hours.